shoot, what did I do with the earplugs? Welcome back to Farm West of Boring, where life is anything but boring. Well, today I am going to do a little bit of outside work. We have had 15 days of no rain here in January of 2025. And so I'm going to go out and cut up some firewood and see if we can get the log splitter going and cut up the firewood for some nice warm winter fires. Here's our good old Husqvarna, a 450. And it is, we've been using this chain for about a year now. Did a lot of the work on the house after the pine tree fell into the house. And so this chain is getting a little dull, so I think I'm going to put a new chain on. And now I got this for Christmas, I think last year, or it might even been my birthday. And I have not ever used it, so I'm going to try this out, see if this works. Wow. So you fit it on over the bolt, and it seems to lock in there pretty good. So I don't know, we'll see how that works. Oh, it does work. Look at that. Huh. Oh boy. That one is a little bit bigger. This will work, hopefully. Make sure we get it on there right. Checking all those, sharpening them. Yeah, I'm putting a new blade. Yeah, but I don't think it's gonna work. Dang it! Well, because it's the chain's too long. Let's see. Did you see this? So here's the base, cut like that. And then all these pieces basically slide in when I glue it. It'll slide in, and then they'll have support on the sides too. A couple of them are tight. So what do you got there? Well, it's gonna be a silverware tray. You got the base of the silverware tray. Obviously, this is just rough cut. All the pieces are gonna be like yay, and then it will be ran through the machine again, and all these will be quite a bit thinner. This will be a lot thinner. This is just all the starting stuff. So that's all gonna go on your CNC over here, huh?
Yeah. And it'll turn out looking more like that guy, which cracked, and so it's getting redone. Look how big that center crack is now that it's been sitting by the heat.
Oh wow! Because that whole base was just one solid piece.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which was a mistake.
Well, that's been drying for about 3 years.
Yeah.
So,
What's this one here going to be?
well, so there's going to be an outside. One of the pieces are over there. There's going to be the outside, which is the outside rail.
Oh, huh. Oh, I see.
And
Yeah.
this one is 2, and this one will be just one big long one.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
So this one here, you cut strips and you glued all the strips together.
Yeah. This one's all.
And of course, you've already explained that these didn't get clamped very tight, but they'll get filled in somehow.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. And then just basically piece it all together. This guy still needs to be cut out for this one. And yeah.
Just doing a finish on it.
I normally wouldn't do a finish on something on the inside, but I did it on one, and then cut all those guys to the width with the finish that are going to slot in here, and then realized that now I have to do it to every single one of these because it's just a hair bigger than all those.
Oh. We got the saw chain changed, and boy, I tell you, it's sure nice cutting up wood when you get these getting these nice big chunks out of the saw. It's a lot better than getting sawdust out of the saw. So then I took a couple of those pieces there and I took it down into the wood shop, and we used the bandsaw and the table saw to cut them into some like 2x4 strips. So we got some nice maple down there in the wood shop that once it's dry, it's going to be some pretty nice wood.
See this guy.
So here's a piece of that maple that I just cut up there. Take a look at that. The wood splitter started up good. Got some wood already chopped up here, so I think I'll keep at it here, and we'll see if we can get a little bit more wood cut up. There we go. Almost a full tote. And that's pretty much all maple. That's going to be good for firewood. Thanks for joining me today on a farm west of boring, where life is anything but boring. We're getting back into the swing of things here. I'm recovering well from my heart surgery. Weather has been really nice. It's a little cool, but it's been nice, and we're looking forward to a good spring and firewood and sawmilling and lots of other activities here on the farm. So thanks for coming along. Catch you next time. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already, and give us a thumbs up. Really appreciate that. See you next time.